So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to install and style your lace wigs. um I bought this wig on AliExpress. It was like $43. So if you're in Jamaica, you can order it and have it delivered at the post office, or you can order it through an agency and then you can collect it there, which you would have to pay a fee. But at the post office, you don't pay nothing, you don't have to pay anything. Uh, so guys, I forgot to tell you guys that this is an 8-inch wig, 150 density. So I'll put the link to this here in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So if you're new to my channel, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, this is the wig. This is a Malaysian Jerry Curls 8-inch wig, 150 density. I'll be showing you guys how I install my wig quick and easily. I'm just going through with the comb just to ensure that no hair is in front when I'm applying the glue, because that's really messy. Now I'll be using the got-to-be glue and the walker's tape. Now I'll be using the tail of the comb to spread the glue. I am just making sure that the wig is secure. Now I'm going to be using my blow dryer just to do a quick one, but you guys can do air dry or anything that you like. Now I'll be cutting the lace. So guys, this is the finished look. So please to like, share, comment and subscribe, and to tell a friend to tell a friend. Hope you enjoy my video. Have a great one.